All right, so what we'll take a look at next is the extend command. So the extend command, it will extend a line to another line. So let's say that we want to extend this line to this line. So if we go in and use the extend command, the first thing you'll pick is to the boundary. Now, if you just press enter, everything becomes a boundary. But if you want to be selective and say, okay, I only want it to go to this line here, you can see that it highlights it, and that's your boundary edge. And then you press enter, and now you select the segments to extend. So if I pick this one, it's going to extend to that line there. You'll notice if I pick this end, nothing happens because there's nothing in that direction for it to go to. Now there are some other options you see here. You got crossing and cross line and project and edge. So a lot of different ways that you can do it. And if you use the shift key, it'll actually do a trim command. So if I was to run that command again and press enter for everything's a boundary edge, you can see that I can select that and it will extend out to the first line that it finds. Now, if I shift select and select that object, it actually trims it back. So if I shift and pick there, you'll see that it actually trimmed it at that line right there. Now, if I leave the shift key off and I press there, it extends it back. And it's going past this line because more than likely you can see there's a gap there. So I can pick that one and you can see now it extends to there. So by pressing enter, everything becomes a boundary edge that you can extend. And then if I use my shift key and I press there, you can see that it actually breaks that line between there. So kind of got to play with these settings and these edges, and you can do a fence. A lot of different options you can do with the trim and extend command uh, here within the CAD viewer of Trimble Connect.